I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking them now. Taking them out now. Okay. If I keep looking over here, it's because I'm watching a show.
Wouldn't wanna leave, you know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna.
It's been 45 minutes and I've been only able to take this side out. I'm still left with my whole head. Whew. This is gonna be a tough day.
Crazy, I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back, yeah. Bitch, back on my pussy, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, bounce back, yeah. Act like you a stranger, yeah. Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up to 42, quarters too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up, once he goes.
So I picked up some packages, and this is Curology. So I signed up for Curology like last month. No, actually in February. So last 2 months, was in April, because my skin was getting really bad and I didn't know what to do. I had tried everything. I used Cetaphil for like a year, and I switched to CRV for like a couple of months, but I was not seeing any results. And I just came across this. Ad on Instagram, which was Curology, and then I'm like, I'm gonna try this, especially if you have the opportunity to customize your own skincare products and then have like a personal dermatologist. So I thought it was gonna be a good option. So I signed up for it and I got the free trial. So I already finished the free trial, like it literally finished yesterday. So this morning I didn't want to put other products in this routine, so I just washed my face with regular water, hoping that my package was gonna come today, because I didn't want to interfere with any skincare products, so I can easily tell if the product is gonna be working for me or not, so I don't keep beating about the bush and just like keep thinking that no products work for me. So yeah. So I'm just gonna see what is in my box. When I got the free trial, all I had to do was pay for shipping, and then it was smaller than I expected. And when I was customizing my own product, it says this one is supposed to be a large size, which I'm grateful for, so it can last a little longer, because that one lasted for like about just 2 weeks. Not even 2 weeks, like a little over a week. That's what I'm gonna say. So this is pretty much the card that comes in the box. It literally tells you the steps. So you start with a cleanser, and then you use your custom formula for the evening. So you use the cleanser and the moisturizer morning and night, but then for the custom formula you use it for just the evening. So and it also comes with a chapstick. So when I was customizing the free trial, I already got a chapstick and I still have like a lot left. So in this package I did not choose a lip balm, and it says a surprise, so I can't wait to see what is in there. I'm kind of curious. I have a feeling it's gonna be like a pimple patch, but because I got the pimple patch in the last package and I still have like a lot left, so I did not get any of them. Oh my god. So I was right. So it comes with the emergency spot patch too. So I have one from my other package. I used like only 3 and I still have like a lot left, and I just got an extra one. Thank you, Curology. And oh my god, I got some stickers. That is so cute. So let me show you the stickers. I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully it focuses, because the sun is really out today. So it has cream on reminder, Curology, do you keep going, glow. You have some emojis, and you got this. That is really cute. And oh my god, wait, hold on. Oh my god, this is crazy. So it comes with this little, I don't know what it is, but it's like a pin. So you put it on your uniform, I guess, because this is how the back looks like. You put it, you pin it on your clothes, no, your uniform, your clothes. That is so cute. It says one for me, one for you. That is so cute. And it has a poem. This is really cute. It says, day to day, though all days may feel the same, we just want to say thanks for letting us be a part of yours, your Curology family. That is so sweet. And thank you very much, Curology, for sending the surprise. I'm really grateful. And onto the big package. So this is the actual Curology package. I can't wait to see the size because, as I said earlier, the one I had was really small. So let's see. Oh my god! So this is the makeup remover. I don't have the makeup remover currently here. It's in. It's not here with me. Oh my god, this is a Curology size. So I'm gonna get the small items and try to compare. I dropped it. Okay, so this is the one that I actually paid for. This is the size. Let's see if it focuses. So this is the size, and this is the free trial. As you can see, there's a whole difference, and I actually ran out of this one. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have to get rid of this. And then this is the cleanser. So this is the one I paid for, and this is the free trial. So as you can see, it's like a huge difference. And the Curology moisturizer, this is the one I paid for, and this is the free version. I ran out as well. I completely ran out. But yeah, I'm really grateful for the free packages once again. Not free packages, but the free surprise in the package. So the next thing I'm gonna be unboxing, which is the last thing, is this huge package. I really want to know what it is. Oh my god. So I ordered a mannequin head because I started doing my own hair. I did my own braids. This is my first time ever I did my own braids, and I really want to practice more. So I got myself a mannequin head, and it was like $33. Oh my god. So I got me a mannequin head, and I'm gonna start practicing. Let me see how easy or how it smells like synthetic weed. Okay, so this is what it comes like, and so I'm gonna start practicing. I don't know if you guys can see, but let me just practice. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay. That is crazy. I'm gonna put her hair in a bun, in a little cute ponytail. Here, and the box comes with, I don't know what this is, but I feel like it's probably a stand to keep it stable. So yeah, pretty much this is everything I unboxed today. And I know in the beginning of the video I didn't really say much, but I wanted it to be more like a visual diary, like a serene, quiet, you know, just like, I don't know how to explain it. I wanted to do less of talking and more like visual, like to visualize everything. So these are pretty much things I do on my off day or after work. So yeah, just like cook for the week. I make sure my laundry is good to go. I make sure I have groceries stocked and every stuff that I need, because I don't have a car right now, and I don't like to be going back and forth to the store to to get stuff. So I make sure that I plan everything and I get it on the weekend that I'm off, because with my working schedule I have every other weekend off. So not every weekend off, every other weekend off. So this is my weekend off, and I wanted to get most of my things done and just to show you guys how I do it. So that is pretty much everything. I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is something new I'm trying to incorporate more like new things into my YouTube channel, and yeah. But I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and share this video and comment down below. All right, thank you very much for watching this video once again. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.